You help us, won't you?
Back off, Doc. Hey, kid, I know what you're thinking. What could sound more appealing than a slimy stranger giving you orders? Trust me, I know the feeling. But listen, this place has gone to hell, and it's getting worse fast. Richtofen is stepping up to repair our teleportation device, but it's not going to be an easy job. You find us and provide some support, you might actually make it out of here. The speck of good news in all this is that there are still some supplies scattered around this dump. Get yourself armed and maybe mow down an undead ugly or two on the way over.
A broken clock is right twice a day, yes? Well, that is German in his plan. Consider it the first correct strike of day. We've been trapped here for days now, and the monsters only grow stronger each night. Between protecting the teleportation base and caring for our comrades' wounds, you could say we are rather overwhelmed. We're Takio in fighting form. It might be different, but alas.
Fortunately, there is a defensive turret that will help you resist monster attacks. It is extremely effective, if I do say so myself. And I would know. I created it.
Yeah, open a window. Your ego's stinking up the place. Listen, kid, if you encounter any materials scattered around out there, no matter how junky they seem, bring them to us. We'll help you find a use for them.
Defensive turrets can be summoned, but if they are placed as the zombies pass, they will automatically attack. Just don't put the turret outside the defensive umbrella. They can't stand the storm. Listen to me carefully. At night, the bases will attract no end of dangerous creatures. If it is destroyed, we'll be torn to pieces by the storm in seconds.
Bastards are here, guns are loaded. Let's get this started. Base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it.
Finally, the transmission device is almost repaired. You'd better collect more supplies and meet back here before nightfall so we can prepare. I've sent the salvage we've gathered from several scattered vehicles your way. Use it wisely. Running vehicles are rare commodities. And should you happen to use one, exercise caution. The Aether storm paralyzes motors when night falls. Because, of course they do. We're almost there. When the etheric energy is raging at night, it should be able to provide enough energy to help us reopen the portal. As for you, I'm afraid if you don't make it back on time, we won't wait for you. Don't let poor punctuality be your downfall. You seem like an honest, if minded sort of person, so do enjoy. For today, I will provide you with more defensive turrets. In addition, I've sent you my latest turret design. You may look over the blueprints for more details. Upgrading the original turret should help it endure more of those creatures.
Do not be stingy with bullets either. Let them rain down like hellfire.
Now that was a fight. Try to dogpile us when the sun's down and run scared the minute it comes up, will ya? Just friggin' cowards.
This is not that complicated. Just look at the vortex. As the etheric energy rages at night, transmission cracks open, and these monsters are then attracted by the energy. Like raccoons drawn to the dumpster. But these are infinitely more fun to blow up. Careful! That's not a toy. The Aether energy transmission device is normal. Time-space axis calibration is complete. Energy devices are being accumulated to protect the base when we are ready to go home.
Airdrop has been delivered.
What the hell, Doc? We teleported, but we're still in the same damn place.
Do you think I don't know that, Dempsey? The energy in this space is too strong. It's sucking us in place like candy. We need to harness more of that energy ourselves to break through this barrier.
Ah, I see broken clock ticks on.
this buffoon would be useless. Must I do everything myself?
Seven, 8, 9. Holy shit. There are even more cracks for the monsters to teleport through now. Get ready, soldier. This is gonna be a big one.
The teleportation device needs more work. The etheric energy is going to attract more enemies in the meantime, so I built more turrets for you to use and upgrade with the materials gathered. Don't make a bigger mess of this.
The turret has been damaged. Now is time to make use of your wrench.
Base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it. What is this? It's a huge grave jockey signal incoming. It's not even close to sundown.
Huh? That energy reading is strong indeed. This must be a big one. And if it's this strong during the day, then imagine after dark.
Something is not right here, my friend. We should get rid of these creatures now, before they have chance to grow stronger from the Aether storm.
Look, this one, it looks like a butcher type. Interesting. For me, from a safe distance, I'm sure for you it's actually quite terrifying.
Too strong. Look for something, anything you might be able to use to fight that thing off. Grab a vehicle and ram that rock gorilla back into its grave if that's what it takes. base has its own warehouse that can be used for storage. That warehouse also lets you share supplies with your teammates. Trust me, this is not the time to be a lone wolf.
The big one seems to have wandered off. You should come back now, before it tries to follow. Charging process is almost complete. We'll try again tonight. All towers have been unlocked as well, so make good use of them.
Let's give the meatbags everything we got. Get those bastards away from it!
Continuity of time or space has been irrevocably disturbed. Someone must be here. About to fall into the dark lane. She has been terminated.
Richter, what did you mean by someone? Are you saying that someone sent us here on purpose? Or is it preventing us from leaving? That sounds impossible.
Isn't that obvious? Every time we try to execute our plan, something new happens to hinder it. My operation is flawless. If it's not someone disrupting it, we would already be gone. But don't worry. Nothing can overwhelm genius like mine. Trust me. The next time will be the one.
Soldier, meet us at the new location. This is our last chance.
Airdrop has been delivered.
I'll mark the locations of a few crystals on the map. Don't exactly get how you think you can control them while making them go nuts, though.
Take this. It's a device that will cause a reaction within the ether crystals. Use it when in close proximity and smash them. Then you'll be able to gather the purer crystallized energy that's released. Or it will resemble several frag grenades blowing up in your face. Certainly one of those things.
Hell. No way this ain't gonna draw in hordes of maggot shooters. You knew about this, didn't you?
I have no idea what you're talking about. Now hurry! Smash the ether crystals! Well done! Just look at how pure the ether energy you gathered is! This will be out of here in no time.
There are many materials around those wrecked crystals. You better pick them all up. Do not waste any. No. This is not good.
Hurry up! It's time for our last stand!
Comrades, let's make this place cleaner than the halls of KGB.
Damage. Go now and fix it.
Turret's under attack. Fix them before the base is being attacked. Get those bastards away from it.
The turret has been damaged. Now is time to make use of your wrench.
The turrets are severely damaged. What exactly what are you doing? The base is smoking. Clear the enemies or repair! Stop distracting me from my work!
Your turret's under attack. Fix them before they're lost. Whoa, Nick. Feel weird all of a sudden. Memories I don't even know are all fighting inside my brain for top billing. Visions of a castle made of steel. A dark swamp. Why is this so